Hey there, Hack the Matric community. Welcome back to another mind-blowing episode where we embark on an extraordinary journey into the depths of the dark web. Get ready to have your mind blown as we unveil the hidden secrets and untold stories that exist within the enigmatic realm of the digital underworld. This educational expedition is purely for informational purposes, so buckle up and prepare for an exhilarating adventure into the captivating world of the dark web. Introduction to the Dark Web. Unveiling the Hidden Layers. Let's kickstart this electrifying episode by unraveling the mysteries of the dark web. Picture it as a hidden realm beneath the surface of the internet, accessible only through specialized software like the renowned Tor browser. The dark web's reputation often precedes it, but it's crucial to understand that it's not entirely a hub of illicit activities. Brace yourselves as we venture into this complex digital abyss. As we delve into this clandestine world, consider the dark web as an iceberg. What we see is just the tip. The Tor browser, our vessel, allows us to navigate these digital waters, offering a glimpse into the intricate layers that make up the dark web's landscape. Safely navigating the dark web, a deep dive into security. Now let's delve into the strategies for safely navigating the dark web. We'll focus on the Tor browser, a powerful tool that safeguards your privacy and shields your online identity. But that's not all. We'll equip you with essential security measures and expert tips to ensure a secure and anonymous exploration of the dark web. Armed with knowledge and precautionary measures, you can conquer this digital frontier with confidence. As we embark on this digital odyssey, understand that the Tor browser acts as our secure gateway, allowing access to the dark web while maintaining anonymity. We'll unravel the layers of security, discussing the importance of VPNs, encrypted communication, and careful website selection for safe navigation. Unveiling the dark web's advantages. Beyond the shadows. Contrary to popular belief, the dark web isn't just a shadowy realm of illegal activities. It's a dynamic landscape offering a myriad of advantages. From anonymous communication channels to platforms advocating for digital freedom, the dark web has an astonishing array of utilities. Join us as we journey through the various facets of the dark web, shedding light on its positive contributions to our ever-evolving digital society. Let's debunk the myths surrounding the dark web and explore its positive facets. It's not merely a den of illicit activities, but a space where individuals champion digital rights and privacy, playing a pivotal role in shaping a diverse and free digital society. Security and protection in the dark web. Safeguarding the shadows. When traversing the dark web, security becomes paramount. In this segment, we'll take a deep dive into the intricate world of encryption, anonymity, and online protection. We'll unravel how these crucial elements form the bedrock of security within the dark web. Additionally, we'll shed light on the tireless efforts of cybersecurity experts battling illegal activities within this hidden digital realm. Our journey into the dark web's security landscape is akin to deciphering a complex code. Encryption and anonymity aren't just tools, they are the very fabric that weaves the dark web's security tapestry. Join us as we explore the relentless efforts of cybersecurity experts, the unsung heroes working to maintain a delicate balance in this intricate digital ecosystem. Responsible use and final thoughts, harnessing knowledge ethically. As our exhilarating journey through the dark web reaches its climax, it's imperative to emphasize responsible usage. The dark web, like any tool, possesses the potential for both constructive and nefarious purposes. Make informed decisions and navigate this digital realm with integrity and ethical consciousness. Remember, knowledge is undeniably powerful, but using that power responsibly is what truly matters. Stay curious, stay safe, and until our paths cross again, this is Hack the Matric, empowering you with the knowledge to explore the digital frontier responsibly and ethically. Our exploration is a call to action for responsible digital citizenship. Consider the dark web not as a forbidden territory, but as a digital landscape that demands ethical exploration. It's our responsibility to use the knowledge gained responsibly, contributing to a safer and more informed online community. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure into the depths of the dark web. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future cybersecurity explorations. Until next time, this is Hack the Matric, empowering you with knowledge for a safe